Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by dividing JavaScript files into 3 logical chunks: setup, core logic, and exports. Limit each chunk to about 20 lines or 1 component. Study a single chunk for 30 minutes using active recall. Read a function, close the editor, then reproduce it from memory without looking. After reproduction, compare line by line, fix errors, and annotate why each line exists. Repeat this cycle 3 times per chunk, then move to the next chunk to build reliable, transferable memory of the code patterns. Practice by writing the same function 3 times from memory, each time making a small deliberate variation to generalize the pattern. After writing, explain the control flow out loud for 5 minutes, describing inputs, outputs, edge cases, and complexity. Record your verbal explanation and replay it during a 1-hour passive review session while doing light tasks. This combination of active production, variation across 10 deliberate changes, and auditory reinforcement strengthens recall and enables flexible application. Adopt tools and a schedule. Save snippets in a Git repository, add concise comments and a to-do explaining intent, and attach 2 automated tests per snippet. Employ spaced review. Revisit code after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days, extending intervals as recall improves. During each review, refactor for clarity and run tests. Use linters to enforce style so syntax becomes habitual. Combine this with flashcard, prompts of specific lines or patterns to close gaps and retain JavaScript knowledge long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.